Hello guys, welcome back to Salesforce Time channel. Did you ever wanted to compare a single profile across multiple orgs? If yes, then this is the right video. I'm going to show you in this video how you can compare was the single profile, selected profile or permission set across two different orgs and find out the differences. So let me show you that. So if you wanted to do this, you have to first log into packmagics.com, and once you log in, just search for compare profiles. So here is the profile comparator. If you wanted to just compare the system permissions, then use perms comparator, but in case you wanted to compare the entire profile or permission set with all of the permissions, then use the profile comparator. So here we are. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can compare a profile in different orgs, and previously I have shown how you can compare the profiles within the same org, but I'm going to show it anyways to you since this has some new features also added. So inside same org, you got to select the profiles and or permission sets. So I'm going to select a couple of profiles here. So let's let it. Yeah, so now it has been refreshed and you can see the profiles. You can add any combination of profiles and permission sets, that does not matter. I'm going to select system administrator and standard platform user and compare the profiles. So the latest addition now is you could also compare the Apex class access and Visual Force access, which was not there earlier. So now you can do that as well with this comparison. So it's going to take a minute, and if you wanted to compare a profile across different orgs, then also we can do this using this tab, different orgs. So once you go to that tab, you got to select a profile or permission set. So you can see all of the permissions here which are available for both of these permission sets. And if you just wanted to see the differences, then click on this, so it will show you only the differences. So now you can see the standard platform user and then the system administrator profile. So most of the permissions are enabled for the system administrator. So you can see these are user or system permissions, and then if you scroll down you can see the different types of permissions like field permissions or object permissions. Yeah, so you can see object permission, and you can see the differences, what the standard platform user profile has and what the system admin has. So this way you can see the differences. And the latest additions are the not the field permissions but the Apex class permissions. Previously you were not able to compare due to performance reasons. Now you can do this in PackMagics. So this is what I wanted to show you for the same org. So if you wanted to compare in different orgs, then just go to the different orgs tab and you got to select the target org. So if you don't see a target org, just go to the settings connections and add another target org in which you want to compare the profile. So it is going to compare the profile in the source org which you are logged into, the default org, and the target org. So I have labeled it as QA, and then I'm selecting a profile here. So you could also select a permission set you want to compare, and I'm going to select the profile name here. So let me use the standard platform user profile to compare it, and then let me click on this compare profiles. So it's going to take a minute, gather all the information, all the permissions for standard platform user profile in the default org and in the QA org, and it's going to display the differences. So it's gonna take a minute. Okay, so it has generated the differences, and now you can see all the permissions. Or you want to see only the differences, just click on the only differences, and now you can see the field permissions which are different in this both of the org, like default org standard platform user and the QA standard platform user. And you can see other type of permissions as well, like permission here. And then at the end you should see the visual the visual force page differences. So here are the visual force page differences. So here actually we are working on this to give you the actual name of the visual force page. So in the next release you would see this, but still this is very good information for you to compare all the permissions for given profile across multiple orgs. So that would be very handy. Download using this download as CSV button and open it in Excel and store for documentation if you wanted to, or you can use this for correction of the profiles in different orgs if they are different after some time, right? So that's what you can do with this differences. There are many uses, you can use it how you want it to. So thank you very much for watching this video. I just wanted to show you this, and let me know if you have any feedback, comments in YouTube video, or just submit the feedback inside the application using contact us form. Thank you very much. Bye.